Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about my blog income report for November of 2021. I'm really excited to share this with you guys because it's the first month I've been able to hit a $200 day for my lifestyle blog, which is really amazing. And I think honestly though, it's a unicorn month, but I do think it is seasonality based because my traffic has skyrocketed with my lifestyle blog. I don't know why. It might be because I have this very unique project that requires a lot of work in order to kind of show the images, so no one really can reproduce it if they wanted to, or they could, they would just like not have the images that I have. And so I think that's what's happening with my lifestyle blog, but I wanted to share all that with you guys and more here. So I'm going to walk you guys through my November blog income report, just like I do every other video. And just remember that if you guys want more details on tips and tricks and weekly like updates in terms of like blogging strategies or paid search strategies or even like SEO strategies, go ahead and sign up for my newsletter because I share everything and anything with you guys that I learn along the way. Because honestly, this is all a journey for all of us. Even those who are making like 7 figures or 6 figures or whatever it is they are making from blogging, like they are still learning as they go, because this world is like changing and ever changing, and I'm always learning something new. And as you guys know, I've been doing this for the last 10 years, and it's only been recent that I've been making this kind of money. So as long as you're consistent, persistent, and you're not falling for people who are trying to sell you something versus like actually teaching you, then I think you'll do just fine. But at the end of the day though, I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. If you're watching this video, hopefully you're doing it because you're wanting to be motivated. But honestly, if I'm being really honest with you as a friend, I would tell you to go write content, make content, and produce it versus watching me show you how much I'm making, because I will share with you guys tips and tricks along the way, but you guys really should be creating content, whether it's recording a video, creating a Pinterest pin, or basically creating a blog post. That's what you should be doing instead of watching my blogging reports. But I'm going to share with you guys because I love you all, and go ahead and go to the computer and show you what I have. Alright guys, so November 2021, it is Q4, and it's the first month where I feel like in Q4 I kind of know what I'm doing. I didn't change a lot because honestly I have come to the retail side of the world in terms of like advertising, and I know that everyone goes on lockdown right before like the big window in terms of like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, all that stuff. And so what I do know and what I've learned in my 9-to-5 job to what I'm going to use on my side hustle is that you should make drastic changes right before the biggest holiday season of the year. So that's what I've learned. I didn't do anything this month, and let me tell you, like, it's been a blessing because sometimes less is more. All right, it says September on here, but I actually mean November. So just FYI, I'm not gonna go back and edit this video for that. So in November, I made in my lifestyle blog $4,700 and food blog $2,100. Grand total at the very bottom, when you include YouTube, affiliate, and sponsored content, it's $8,293. Why this is significant is if you compare September, I've told you this before, my sponsored content where a brand pays me for me to write unique content for them, like that's a unicorn, and generally that will be about $5,000-$6,000 any given year, so I can't really count on that passively. But as you can see, my ad income, like from Mediavine, went up significantly, right? Look at July to November, like that's insane. So that kind of tells you Q4 is a really amazing time for people who are publishing content and then having ads be run on that content, which is neat. So YouTube, I'm not consistently creating content for the lifestyle blog, but I am for my blogging. And let me just tell you guys, this audience right here isn't making me money. So I'm just putting it out there. But I'm going to do it anyway because I enjoy and I'm passionate about talking about it. So I'm making $77 a month, so thank you. And then for the lifestyle blog, I am making $248, which I should be doing more content on that channel versus this channel. So if I'm thinking about like the time and the ROI perspective, like I literally should be spending more time on the lifestyle channel. The lifestyle channel has about 300 more viewers than this channel, so hopefully that'll go up as I continue to make content on this channel, and I might change it up a bit to see if I can't make more money if I do some more unboxing videos, because I have a lot of electronic Christmas gifts that I need to kind of unbox, and since this is a tech channel, I figured why not, it wouldn't hurt. And if I see that going up, this channel might change a bit, so I don't know, we'll see. And then on the Amazon affiliate side, I made more money this month, which makes sense because people were buying more gifts online. And reward style, I made a buku amount, and it's because probably it's tied to my like seasonal Christmas like thing that I make, and so people were buying a ton on that. My sponsored content, I have none. And then Shop Style is a new program that I've talked about it on this channel a lot, but I was making sense. But right now I'm making $34.75 for this month. So I'll continue to add to that. One consideration that I have is what I'm thinking about doing though is adding another line item here. I'm considering it, but I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos on a Zoic ad setup. It seems a little bit hard for me. Mediavine, like it's really easy to contact them and go through their publishing process. With a Zoic, I was watching like some walkthroughs and stuff. It just seemed a lot complicated. So I'm not sure if I'm going to go that route or not, but I do have this very niche tech blog that has about 8,000 page views a month, a little bit less than that actually, and I'm thinking about monetizing that. I'm not too sure. I'll go ahead and let you guys know what my thought process is in my emails that I send out on a weekly basis. Okay, here's the breakdown that you guys love to see, lifestyle versus food blog. At the very bottom here, you can see November earnings. That's my payout date, February, so that'll be exciting for Valentine's Day. And then here are the earnings summaries. So as you can see here, month to date, I had 90,595 page views. And then on the food one, I had 53,697. That's pretty amazing. The session RPM month to date, the difference between lifestyle is 61.63 versus 48.67. Mind you, lifestyle blog is an aged domain, so it's been around for quite a bit, and it's been on Mediavine for about a year and a half longer than the food blog. And then this is the YouTube channel for the lifestyle blog. It's like the sister content, if you will. I made $248 in the month of November. And as you can see, my revenue continues to be balanced a bit. So here you can see that the blogging one actually has is balanced too. Actually, I'm going to compare this. It says estimated revenue. Let's look at the RPM. So this one for this channel is $5.14. The lifestyle one is $9.43. I'm telling you guys, the other channel is making me more money. So here is the breakdown for the affiliate income. So you can see on Amazon, Reward Style, Shop Style, they have a ton of analytics on all these platforms that tells me like what products people are buying from the channels and basically like any analytics that I want. But at the end of the day, the only thing I'm doing that's different is I'm literally sprinkling in links where people can shop. And I'm not actually saying the name of the brand. I'm literally saying this is the best product and linking there. So I think that is helping click-through rates because people are curious and they'll click and I'll get the cookie. Alright, so I use Google Data Studio. I've talked about that in previous videos. I might make a video on that. You guys comment below and tell me if you want to have a tutorial on Google Data Studio. Let me know. But if you have one blog, Google Analytics is just fine for this data, but I was sick and tired of going through all of my blogs to see what the traffic was every single day, so I wanted to create a dashboard. Google Data Studio is a reporting tool that you can connect a bunch of data sources like Google Analytics from all your sites and put them in one view and have it look the way you want. So I did it really rudimentary because I didn't want to spend time to create a nice interface for my report. So this is what you guys are going to get. I've got lifestyle blog. As you can see, it went up 66.1%, which is like insane to me. Like I can't believe it. I hope I hit 100 so that I can tell you guys I hit 100. I got a food blog that's 53,000, tech blog that I'm thinking about adding to a Zoic if they'll have me. But it just seems really hard, guys. It seems really hard to set up and I don't have the time. I'd rather be making content than trying to figure out how to add ads to my site. And then on SegNickerson.com, I'm driving more of my traffic from this YouTube channel, and going to my site, and then I'm hoping that you guys are clicking on the solutions and software that I recommend, that I highly recommend, that I would never recommend any bad stuff. I'm hoping you guys are clicking on that so that I can continue to make this channel and basically have an ROI for my time. And so then I have my DIY blog that's like net new, that's I'm sharing with my kids. We haven't done a lot on that one actually, and that one actually has a lot of potential. And then I have a hobby blog that I have with my husband. Well, he's not really creating content on it. I just have an idea. I'm trying to force him to go create content and he won't. So that's what that one is. And that, as you can see, the lifestyle YouTube channel, I've got a lifestyle one, I got another lifestyle one, and then I have a blogging one and a travel one. And so the only two that are monetized on that side are my lifestyle and my blogging, obviously, because the other ones don't have that many views. So there you have it. That is my blog income report for the month of November in 2021. If you guys want any other tips and tricks, please let me know. I'm going to be doing a blog income report that's actually for the whole entire year. And then in the next couple of videos, I might share with you guys my annual income from blogging, which is going to be really exciting so that you guys can see what the potential is. Again, it took me a while to get here, but what I'm trying to share with you guys on this video is shortcuts on making your learning curve a lot shorter than what it was for me, because I felt like when I started out, like I was scrounging for content, and I felt like sometimes people were just selling me on stuff versus actually teaching me stuff, and so that was really frustrating, and that actually delayed a lot of time. But what I do have for you guys is it's completely free. The only way I'm making money on it, again, is through affiliate links, but I have a free course tutorial on my site. I'll go ahead and link down below so that you guys can have a link to that. And it's a bunch of video that I've actually created throughout the years. I just haven't had time to organize them until now. And so what I've done is uploaded a ton of video, and then I'm going to plan on going back and actually creating like text content so that you guys can kind of follow through with my thought process that I'm sharing on the video. So it is a course that I am teaching for free. You guys, all you have to do is sign up for my newsletter and also sign up for the course on my site. Again, link down below if you guys want to check that out. But at the end of the day, my goal is to help you guys earn side hustle for you and your family, just so that you have another outlet, another income stream, because at the end of the day, it's passive income, which is really cool. And also, it just is fulfilling, to be honest. Like, what's funny is that sometimes on this channel, I feel like I am a multi-level marketer because I'm trying to sell something on someone else's platform, like Mary Kay, Arbonne, you name it, and I just feel like that's what I sound like sometimes. But hopefully you guys find this content useful. If there is anything else that you guys want me to talk about in terms of the vlog or the YouTube channel, please feel free to leave a comment below. But at the end of the day, like, I feel like, honestly, a lot of these different content channels that I manage, they're incremental wins. So you'll hear like 6-figure bloggers or 7-figure bloggers focus on one thing, and niching down is great, but I also have found success through just doing incremental wins in terms of like content, like figuring out the strategy there before you move on to the next strategy. Because once you figure out how to optimize whatever strategy that you're working, like, and then you create processes around it, it's almost like a flywheel. It feels like how you can also do the next thing. And so once you figure it out, move on to the next thing rather than trying to do everything. I hope that makes sense. If you guys watch my videos, you kind of know what I'm talking about. Again, thank you. And if I don't talk to you guys, happy holidays. Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye.